Hey, hey, hey! What's happening here, folks? Chris Johnson, Captain Chris Johnson here to tell you what's going on a little bit today. I do have a little quick I want to say. I got to tag a few people, and I have no idea how to do it. Let me see. Let me figure it out. Marty DeGarmo. Wait a minute. Marty. I don't know. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. This computer. Well, maybe he'll just come up. I'm not seeing anybody yet anyway. Anyway, if you're on here, guys, can you tag Marty DeGarmo, Bill Musk, Key Wendell, and help me out there because this laptop thing is still messing me up. Anywho, there's Tobias. Hey, Ron. Ron, can you type in Marty DeGarmo? Let me see if I can get it. Hold on. I'm messing this one up today, aren't I? I'm waiting for Marty. Someone type in Marty DeGarmo and Bill Musk. They're texting me here. There's Bill. Enter. I'm waiting. Hi, Lystra. Oh, hi, Diane. I'm waiting a second here. Marty DeGarmo. Someone punch Marty. Someone punch Marty DeGarmo. I can't find him. Diane, do me a favor. Punch in Marty DeGarmo's name in here. He wanted me to tag him. Okay, I'm going to say hi to you guys in a minute. Let me get this going. Okay, guys, Monday, brand new day. I actually slept. Woo, boy, did it feel good. I missed Red's Live. I feel bad about that. And it's hot today. My God, it's going to be 95 degrees again today in Michigan. And let me talk about what's happening today. At 2 o'clock, we have the private founders only webinar Q&A presentation. Q&A. Trying to introduce all the new founders, 3,000 a day. We're getting you in there. We want to answer all your questions so you can understand what's going on. Remember, this is a private founders. That link is in the back office. Do not share that link at all, please. And remember, when you get on there, no chit chat. Ask your question. We all love and support you. We know you support us, but they changed it up a little. There's going to be no chat. And we want people to raise their hand and ask their question. But remember, just get on there and ask your question. No stories, nothing like that. Let me see. Donna, what's happening? Let me go from the bottom. Jay Mookie, what's happening? Helen, how you doing? Peter Shore, what's happening? William, what's happening? Diane, Redford, Mark, thank you, Red. Boy, I'm glad Red pays attention. MD, Juanita. Jacqueline Lewis, thank you, Dave Graham. I appreciate it. Okay, guys, I want to get right into this. We also have a show today at 8 o'clock. Cedric Flowers and Kevin Rutledge. That'll be on 8 o'clock tonight. I'll put that link up later. But what I really want to talk about today, every one of us as founders has gone through talking to people about this. And what do? They look it up on the internet, and they see a lot of bad things written about our CEO. Okay, and we basically always say, which is true, that it's just another MLM company trying to steal you away and give you a couple $1,000s for nothing. Marty DeGarmo was on the Aussie girls, Narelle Warcon, Yvonne Mackett, and the Kiwi guy, Kenton Patterson, last night. And Narelle asked him a very good question. How do we explain this to people? Well, I'm going to share that video right after this. Marty explains what Ash's, why that was written about Ash and his accomplishments. It's very interesting. So all you people out there that say, Chris, no, I looked at it, it's a scam. I would love for you to watch that video. It's just a real short, 5 or 6, 7 minute clip. Bill Musk did it for us this morning. It'll give you the answer you're looking for on the truth about Ash Mafara. It's never really been talked about with the founders or how to explain it, but it needed to be said. Marty was talking about it. I don't think he even realized. I said, Marty, we gotta make a YouTube video out of that. We have Redfern, is the best Q&A guy, putting out these awesome videos every day, telling you why. But the truth is, no one's ever talked about what Ash Mafar has accomplished in his life and how he got there and what he saw was wrong and wanted to change it. So please look at that video after I do my live. I'd rather you watch that video than my live all day because it makes sense. So all those people that I've got probably 1,500 people that would have signed up until they seen something bad about Ash on the internet. This will explain to you who Ash really is. It's to me, when I heard it, I was blown away. I called Marty right away and said, hey man, we got him. He said, what video? I said, the one you just said, it's got to be heard. We don't ever talk about that stuff, and I don't know why we should. So, boom, it's out there. I'm going to post it on this afterwards, and you can learn all about it. So all those people, every one of us here have dealt with somebody that says, oh man, I see that crap. I'm not going for that. But listen to me. All right, this breaks it down, who Ash Mafara really is, and I will bring up some good points here. Ash Mafara is a very successful person, okay? He's very transparent. He walks around like it's nothing. He's open. He's shared pictures of his kids, his family, where he works. He's got literally millions of dollars, and everything that you read on the internet, don't you think he would be in jail right now? Don't you think he'd be investigated all the time? Nope, he's not. He's not. This guy truly designed something and is creating wealth for the world. And a lot of people are scared because they see something bad on the internet about him. All right? I'm going to be talking about this all week. Ash Mafara is a straight up 100% gentleman. I'm not even going to call him a businessman. He's designed many things for many companies. He's very successful because of that. But in the 20 years he's been doing this, he's seen a lot of things that were wrong. He couldn't bring people with him. All right? He couldn't make other people successful. He said, man, I got to do something different. I got to do something better. So please watch that video. I will post it right on after this. It's very important that people know the truth, because there's so many lies and just horrible stuff they say about him. And if you knew the CEO, Ash Mafara, like we, the founders, know, and you knew the truth, you might say, you know what, I'm going to give this a try. Because all that stuff you read on the internet about him is not true. All right? I can guarantee you it's not true. But when you hear Marty talk about it today, you'll understand. And I'm sure, I got to believe Red Redfern, he's probably on here. He's going to love it, or he's seen it, and he's probably going to even want to do a video on it. All right? We want people to know the truth about our CEO and Onpassive and what it's designed to do. Okay? Brand new, guys. Brand new. A lot of people say, oh, he's collecting $97 from everybody. You're right. That's all in one fund. It's never been touched. And that goes to the marketing for every founder. That's a marketing founding tool, I'm going to call it. That money has never been touched. And when we launch to the world, what's going to happen is that money is going to be used for us. Basically, we're buying in. We bought into our own business. All right. We're using monies that we gave him to advertise for us. And when you see the advertisement he's going to have coming out, you're going to be blown away. So don't think he's just collecting money. All right. He's out in the open, folks. He walks into his building. He drives home, walks in. He's very transparent, which always scares me. But if you understand who he really was, don't you think he'd be in hiding right now? All right. He gets on here and talks to us founders like we're his own brother and sister, best friends. CEOs just don't do that. He does. So check it out. But I also like to wish Dean and Maddie a happy birthday today, and anyone else that's got a birthday, happy birthday. If you're sick, we're still praying for you all the time. Don't forget about Kevin and Cedric at 8 o'clock, but 2 o'clock, very important. Founders only. It's something new today. And I don't even know if Marty ever got on here. DeGarmo, did you get on here? I got to go check the names, I guess. But it's like I said, it's hot today. But I want you guys to understand, this is a real company. All right. You're going to go on the internet and see a lot of things, and you're going to like, oh, man, this Chris is crazy. None of those things are true, folks. And very shortly, I'm going to show you why and explain the journey Ash Mafara on till he got to the point where he said, I need to do something different. So I want you guys all to watch that. I'm going to keep saying it. Bobby Durag, Diane, Prethap, Peter Shore. Who else? Peter Shore. I don't see Marty on here. I'm going to fire him again. Bill Must. There you go. There you go, Bill. Thank you. Thank you to Bill Must, Timmy Johnson, John White for doing an amazing job every single day. Bill let me sleep in today. He let me sleep in today. But guys, you are not going to go wrong with this. All right? If you know me, PM me. I'll explain the things that Marty's explaining on this video. Okay? $97 will truly change your life. The next day, no. It's a process. We're basically going to launch with 1 million customers or more. No company has ever done that. We have broken every single record known from the beginning of time. And if you don't get in this or join it or at least check it out and make your own decision, that's all we ask. But man, you're going to be very upset when this thing does go and you're sitting on the sidelines watching 1 million people that got into this 3 years now, just like Red Redfern 3 years ago, Peter Short 3 years ago. These guys stuck with it. They listened what he had to say, and every 2 weeks it keeps getting bigger. More and more things are coming out. Ash is back. He's almost 100% healed up. His family's all healed up. No more COVID. Now he's on fire. Now he's going to come out and actually start talking about things. So when? I don't know. The guy's he's like Santa Claus. He just comes in and goes, and he drops his gifts off, and it's pretty fun. So, but get in this. I'm sweating my brains off here right now because it's 200 degrees in the sunroom. Check it out. I don't put links on here. PM me if you know me. If someone shares this, PM them back and ask all about Onpassive. But please watch that video how Marty DeGarmo was talking about it. And Robert Totillo put out some excellent videos today on some of our products, and people are really, really getting involved. I'm very proud of every one of you for getting loud about this and telling people, new people, we need new people. We want to get as many new people as we can. So, all right, I gotta go. It's hey, Bangladesh, India. You know that's always for you. The rest of the world, we love you. Get in this, share it, talk about it, and let's change lives. All right, man, if I forgot something, I don't know. If I missed your name, I'm sorry. All right, I gotta go. See ya.